Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Most of you might have tried the cheeselings we get in the stores, but now you don't have to buy it anymore. Try this easy recipe and yeah, thank me later. Today we will be making cheeselings. To make cheeselings in a bowl, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon oregano seasoning. This is totally optional. You can add mixed herbs or the seasoning packets that we get along with the pizzas, or you can totally omit this. Here I am taking 2 blocks of processed cheese, 25 grams each. In a pan, add 1/4 cup of milk, and to this I'll add 1 block of grated processed cheese. Heat this in a medium flame. Here I'm not boiling the milk, but I want the cheese to melt and get incorporated in the milk. As you can see that the cheese is melted and fully incorporated. Now we will turn off the flame and add this to the flour. Mix using a spoon or a spatula because this will be really hot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Salt as per taste and mix well. Meanwhile, I want to give a huge shout out to Miss Priscilla Sampath Kumari. Thank you for trying out my recipe and giving your valuable feedback. If you haven't watched this recipe yet, I'm adding the link in the I button and in the description box. Go watch it for yourself. Now you can use your hands if it's not too hot and knead the dough. Add the other block of processed cheese. I'm using this at room temperature so you can see I can easily mash and add it to the dough. Keep kneading. The dough has become crumbly and comes together. Now we will slowly add water and knead to form a dough. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of water, but still 2 tablespoons of water is left. So add water according to your dough's consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, knead the dough and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough. Divide into 4 parts and roll it into a round shape. Flatten the dough using a rolling pin. The thickness should be up to 1 mm. Cut it into squares using a knife or a pizza cutter. Heat oil in a kadhai. To check if the oil is hot enough, take a small piece and drop in the oil. It has started cooking, so you can add the rest of the cheeseling. Don't worry if the pieces are sticking together, it will separate in the hot oil. Let it fry on medium flame until golden. Remove the cheeselings from the oil and keep it in a bowl lined with tissue to soak any excess oil. Cheeselings are ready. Just hear the sound of the cheeselings, how crispy it is. If you like my recipes, then do try it out. Let me know in the comment section with your feedback. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Till then, we will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye.